Assalamu alaikum. Early MSA presents to your first annual conference, Reviving the Sunnah in Our Ummah, November 19th, which is coming up in 2 weeks, which is on Saturday. I want you guys to come and join us. Most welcome to each and every one. And don't forget our main speaker, Sheikh Junaid Khasrani from California, and Sheikh Hamza Maqbool from Seattle. And for more information, go to www.bradleymsa.com. You get the information over there. Tell your friends, everyone. It was nice to have you guys. This is the first conference we're doing it. I want everybody to come and join and support us at the same time. It will be nice to have you guys. Hopefully see you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.